Welcome to this honest review of Microsoft OneDrive. If you're new to cloud storage, or you've been looking for an efficient, user-friendly solution, this video is here to help you understand OneDrive's features, pricing, and usability. Microsoft OneDrive is one of the most popular cloud storage services, providing seamless integration with Windows, Office 365, and other Microsoft tools. Let's get into the details. Service overview and key features. Microsoft OneDrive provides a secure and organized way to store, share, and access files online. It's designed to be intuitive, making it suitable even for complete beginners. OneDrive lets you access files from anywhere, on any device with an internet connection. The file sharing options are flexible, allowing you to set permissions on shared files and folders for collaboration or private use. Advantages of using Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive has several advantages. Integration with Microsoft products. Since it's a Microsoft product, it integrates seamlessly with Windows and Microsoft Office applications, making it easy to save, edit, and share Office files directly within OneDrive. Collaborative tools. OneDrive supports real-time collaboration on documents, which can be a major advantage if you work with teams. Cross-platform access. OneDrive works on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, ensuring you have access to your files no matter which device you're using. Version history. OneDrive keeps previous versions of files, allowing you to recover an older version if needed. Disadvantages to consider. Despite its strengths, there are some drawbacks to OneDrive. Limited free storage. OneDrive's free plan only offers 5 GB, which may not be sufficient for those with large storage needs. Subscription-based plans. Beyond the basic storage, OneDrive's plans are subscription-based, which means continuous payments for additional storage. Pricing breakdown. OneDrive offers several storage plans. Beyond the free 5 GB plan, users can pay monthly for larger storage options, such as the 100 GB plan or subscriptions bundled with Microsoft 365, which includes 1 TB of storage per user. For those who need extensive storage without ongoing costs, alternative services may offer better long-term value. Native integration. Mid-review. If you're looking for a one-time payment solution without monthly fees, consider buying 10 TB of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription at the link in the description. Security and privacy. OneDrive provides secure file storage, using encryption to protect data both at rest and in transit. However, Microsoft's privacy policies have drawn attention, so if absolute privacy is critical, it's essential to review their terms and conditions to ensure it aligns with your needs. Who should consider OneDrive? OneDrive is an excellent option for people already using Microsoft products or those who prioritize collaboration and cross-device accessibility. Its features are straightforward and reliable, making it easy to understand for beginners, while its integration with Office apps and Windows is a huge plus for users in the Microsoft ecosystem. If you're looking for accessible cloud storage that works seamlessly with your daily software, OneDrive might be the right fit. Don't forget to buy 10 TB of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up.